How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me go ahead and show you how you can transfer your eSIM card from your old iPhone to your brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro, or 14 Plus. At the same time, if you have any problem in terms of just transferring your eSIM card to your brand new iPhone, don't worry, we will also give you the guideline for that process as well. Now, before you go ahead and transfer your eSIM card, there are a couple of things you have to keep in mind. First of all, make sure your iPhone is password protected but unlocked. At the same time, make sure you are running iOS 16 or later, and also check out your Bluetooth. Now, your Bluetooth should be turned on for both devices in order for you to transfer your eSIM card from your old iPhone to your brand new iPhone 14 series. To transfer your eSIM card, first thing that you want to do here, simply head over to settings on your iPhone here. Now tap on mobile data here, tap setup mobile service. Now you're going to get this prompt where it says transfer from. Just go ahead and tap on there. Now most likely you're going to get a prompt on your iPhone. If you don't get this prompt on your old iPhone here, you can lock your device and unlock it again. You're going to get it on your device. Now simply tap on continue here. Now it's going to give you a code. Collect the code and just type the code over here. So most people actually transfer their eSIM card by following this way. But for some reason, if you see this, well, it says no phone number found, then you have to follow another way to transfer your eSIM card to a brand new iPhone. So you can tap on other option here, grab your eSIM card QR code scan. Now you have to scan the QR code. Now before you go ahead and scan the QR code on your iPhone 14 Pro Max here, on your old iPhone, you want to open up your settings on your device here, scroll down, tap on mobile data here, scroll down and tap on delete eSIM card. Now scan your QR code to your brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and after that your SIM is going to be transferred on your brand new iPhone from your old iPhone. This is how you guys can transfer your eSIM card from your old iPhone to your brand new iPhone, and this is how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.